If you understand the importance of diversification, you will know that it is always right to invest your money in different asset generating income, because if you do not do that, if the one you are currently working on is not giving you what you need, you will be broke. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 reasons why you need to start investing in cryptocurrency. Most of you are not new to cryptocurrency. This is not the first time you have heard about cryptocurrency, but I'm going to be giving you detailed information why you need to start investing in cryptocurrency right now. It is not advisable to put all your eggs in one basket. You might be trading forex right now, but I will not advise you to focus only in forex trading. You need to diversify. You need to also try other avenue of making money. That is why in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 reasons why you need to start investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin have received so much popularity globally. In fact, this cryptocurrency have become so credible that everybody is making use of it. Even the big banks, big companies like PayPal, Walmart, and so on and so forth, they are making use of this cryptocurrency because of its credibility. Before, nobody knows that cryptocurrency is going to become a powerful digital currency globally. Nobody believed it's going to become so powerful until now. And right now, new cryptocurrency are still coming out. The best cryptocurrency that I can advise you to invest is Bitcoin. I've invested some money in it, and I can tell you that Bitcoin is good. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency globally, and the volatility is so much. So that is why you need to take our time to start investing in Bitcoin. After Bitcoin, the next one is Ethereum and others. So make a time to pick out a cryptocurrency that you believe has value in future and invest in it. You can buy low and sell high. Buy when the cryptocurrency is low, when the price is down, and sell when the price is high. So I'm going to talk more on Bitcoin because that is my favorite cryptocurrency. But before we delve into that, we are going to list out 3 reasons why you need to start investing in cryptocurrency. Number 1, it helps you to earn lucrative potential earnings. Cryptocurrency helps you to do what? Earn lucrative potential earnings. That is to say, if you invest in cryptocurrency, it will enable you to earn high income. It will enable you to earn potential income. Just imagine those that invested in crypto many years ago. Just imagine. Most of them are living their life. They are wealthy, multi-millionaires. Cryptocurrency, the first cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, which is the largest cryptocurrency, came into existence in 2008 when an unknown man by the name Satoshi Nakamoto mined the first Bitcoin. He was the one that introduced Bitcoin in 2008 before other people started, hearing about Bitcoin. So at that period, Bitcoin was not valued. It was not valued. In fact, Bitcoin was worthless because nobody knows about it. It was absolutely worthless. Even in 2009, Bitcoin was worthless. That was why a Finnish scientist sold over 5,000 Bitcoins for just $5. 5,000 worth of Bitcoin for just $5 in 2009. Now imagine you bought 5,000 Bitcoin for just $5 in 2009. I think your name should be at Forbes list among the top 10 wealthiest people in the world if you were able to buy Bitcoin, 5,000 Bitcoin for just $5 in 2009. But guess what? Nobody knows the value of Bitcoin in 2009. Nobody knows whether if Bitcoin has future. Nobody knows whether if Bitcoin is going to become so popular. Nobody knows. It was in early 2010, 2011, 2012 that people started knowing about Bitcoin in foreign countries. Countries like America, Canada, Australia. But in Africa, nobody knows about Bitcoin. So it was around 2015, 2014. That was when Africans started knowing about Bitcoin. So if you were able to invest at that period and you are still a poor man by now, honestly speaking, I don't know what to say, because at that period Bitcoin was so cheap. So imagine you knew about Bitcoin in 2012 when Bitcoin was still low. The price was very poor, because around that period Bitcoin was around $100. In 2013-12, Bitcoin was around $100 for one Bitcoin. So imagine that you were able to purchase like 10 Bitcoin for $1,000 at that period. Just imagine your net worth by now, because right now the value of Bitcoin is estimated at over $65,000. So just do the calculation. You bought 10 Bitcoin for $1,000 in 2013 or 15, because from 13 to 15 Bitcoin was around $100. So imagine you bought 10 Bitcoin for $1,000 in 2015. Just imagine your net worth if you were able to buy Bitcoin when it was cheap. Imagine how much you'll be making by now, because Bitcoin is so valuable right now. Many people are using it. Like I said, big banks are using it now. Companies are using it. Some countries are even using it as a legal tender. That is, they are using it as a normal legal tender. Some countries are using Bitcoin as a normal legal tender. So people are using it to make purchase of goods and services. Some companies are even accepting it as a means of payment. So that is why, if you know how valuable investing in cryptocurrency is, you would step into this powerful income generating asset and enter the league of millionaires, people that are making it in this business. And if you're a Nigerian, you know that the Nigerian economy is too bad and the Nigeria currency is worthless. The naira is worthless. So with Nigerian naira, you can't be able to achieve anything because the money is worthless. If you have 5 million naira in your bank account, you're still a poor man because that money is worthless. You can't use it to do anything. Just imagine 2015 when $1 is 150 naira. Just imagine when $1 is 150 naira. Just imagine that you were able to purchase Bitcoin of, let's say, 100. Let's imagine you decide to purchase Bitcoin of $1,000 at that period. Just imagine it. You decide to purchase Bitcoin of $1,000 in 2015. Just imagine how much you have by now. Because if you calculate it, one Bitcoin right now is $65,000. So when you bring a calculation, make the calculation 65 times 10. That is $600,000. So just imagine that you invested $1,000 in 2015 to buy a Bitcoin, and you were able to hold on to your coin from 2015 to date. Just imagine you bought Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin for $1,000 in 2015, and you were patient enough to hold on to it from 2015 to date, which is 14 years, right? Just imagine how much you have in your bank account, because 65 times 10 is $650,000. $650,000. So if you convert that to Nigerian naira right now, it's almost 800 million naira, or even 900 million. Something you bought at $1,000, because in 2015 $1,000 should be around let's say 300,000 naira, or $1,000 should be 100,000, because in 2015 $1 is equivalent to 150 naira. So if you do the calculation, you see that $1,000 is 150,000 naira. So let's say you invested 150,000 naira 14 years ago, and right now you have over 650 million naira. So just imagine it. So let's say those people that knew the value of Bitcoin when it came out newly, let's just say they are lucky, because right now many of them are swimming in wealth. They are driving the best car, buying the best houses, and so on and so forth, for you to see how powerful Bitcoin is. And right now, so many economic and business analysts are projecting that the price of Bitcoin will surpass $100,000 by the end of 2025. While some are even saying that the price of Bitcoin will surpass $150,000 by 2026. So for you to see that there's still high potential of Bitcoin going up. No one knows the level that Bitcoin can reach. Bitcoin can even reach $200,000. Nobody knows, right? So this is the right time to start buying. Wait when the price drop and buy. When you buy, you hold on to your coin. Don't just sell it off. Hold on to your coin and reap the reward in future. So the first reason for you to buy is the high income, the potential return that you can gain from buying Bitcoin. Then the second one is it can protect your wealth from inflation. If you compare Bitcoin or cryptocurrency to normal flat money, like your normal currency, US dollar, euro, pounds, and other ones, if you compare, you see that there's a lot of fluctuation. Why? Because governments are in control of those currency. But cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others is not being controlled by the government. No one has control over Bitcoin. So that is why you can hold on to it with confidence, because it doesn't get triggered by the economic policy of the government, because no one controls cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency can help you to generate wealth. You can buy low and hold on to it. When the price becomes so high, you can sell it, and have it at the back of your mind that nothing will hinder your money. As long as you have your password, your key where you store the Bitcoin, you are safe. But the only disadvantage here is that Bitcoin is very risky. Not only Bitcoin, other cryptocurrency, because of scam and others. Because once you mistakenly send Bitcoin to someone you don't know, you can't be able to retrieve that money back, and that person cannot be traced, because no government can be able to track that person. So that is why if you are investing in Bitcoin, you should always be extremely careful so as not to send your money to scammers. Because if you mistakenly send your money to scammers, you can't get it back. Nobody can retrieve it back for you. So the second reason you need to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency is because it protects your wealth from inflation. It protects your wealth from inflation, because inflation dilutes the value of currency. When there is inflation, currency of that particular country tends to drop, but it doesn't affect cryptocurrency, right? Because cryptocurrency is always going up. Even if it comes down, it will still go up. So that is why it is advisable that you buy and hold on to your coin and wait for it to go higher before attempting selling. And even if you want to sell, don't sell all, sell parts and keep others, right? Because if you sell all, what if the price goes higher and refuses to come down? What will you do? because I know some people are still holding onto their coin that they bought since 2011. Some are still holding onto their coin they bought since 2015. Right? So you see, you don't need to sell everything, right? If you buy, sell half and still keep half, because you don't know what will happen tomorrow. The price might go higher, just like economists and business analysts are predicting that it might surpass $100,000, and you never can tell. In the nearest future, Bitcoin might surpass $100,000 or even $150,000. So if you're able to hold on to, you'll be able to make more money. So it's not advisable you sell off all your coin, just sell parts and still hold on to some, waiting for the price to go higher. The third reason why you need to start investing in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and others is that it helps you to have total control over your investments. Because if you have Bitcoin, no government can manipulate it, banks cannot manipulate it. It's only yours. You can store it in a private hardware. Only you have access to it. No one else have access to it. Because if you have flat money, government might decide to seize it, right? Government might decide to block it, but government has no right. They have no power over your coin. If you have over 10 Bitcoin, which is worth over $650,000, you can hold on to it. Nothing will happen. Government cannot seize it. Government cannot take it. Nothing will happen. But if you have 600 million naira in your bank account, government can decide to seize the money. Bank can seize the money, right? So that is why I say cryptocurrency helps you to have total control over your investment. You alone have the right to your account. You alone have the right to your money. No one can take your money from you. Only you have the right to your money, as long as you have the key, the password and everything. So you can clearly see why it is important for you to start investing in cryptocurrency right now. So if you are trading forex, don't stick only in forex trading. The money you made, the profit you made from forex trading, you can use it to buy cryptocurrency. Look for the cheaper ones. There are some that are coming out and I know they have features. Look for the cheaper ones, buy them, right? And then wait for it to rise. You can buy a Bitcoin worth of $100 and hold on to it. You can buy Bitcoin worth of $200 and hold on to it. You can buy Ethereum. You can buy other cryptocurrency. Just buy it when it is low, when the price is low, with small amount of money, and hold on to it, hoping for the price to rise. So if you are trading forex, it is advisable that you try as much as possible to start invest in cryptocurrency and other business generating income. Don't just focus only in forex trading, because like I said, it's not the time that you'll be profitable in the forex market. Sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose money. So the best part is, what do you do with the profit that you make? Use the profit to invest in other businesses. That is what you do. That is what makes you a millionaire. That is how you become rich and wealthy. You use your income you generate from trading forex to invest in other business, not to squander it. Because some traders will make profit from trading. They'll start buying houses. Their first profit, they'll start buying houses, buying car, buying so many things, right? So I'm not saying you shouldn't enjoy life, but at least wait till you make money, right? Wait till you make money for you to be able to enjoy life. Someone commented in the comment section that, why do I like wearing one clothes? See, I know that I don't have money to buy clothes, right? I don't have money to buy clothes, but if you watch the clothes I'm wearing, this is a brand. That is why you can see Ostano FS. I want to be recognized with this attire. So you can see my cap and my clothes is always the same, just like uniform officers like police, army, soldiers, and they have what they are being recognized at. So I want to be recognized with this attire. It doesn't mean I don't have other clothes, right? It doesn't mean that I can't change clothes, but this is my brand, so this is what I stand for, right? So that is why you see me putting on this particular attire whenever I want to do presentation, whenever I want to talk to you guys on YouTube. Once I finish talking, I pull it off and wear my normal clothes and move on with my normal life. But once I'm on camera, I put it on and I address you. So for the person that was asking me, why do I like wearing one clothes, this is the reason why I wear it, because it's my brand. So this is how I present myself on YouTube if I'm teaching or advising you guys or anything pertaining to forex trading and finance. So this is my brand. So if I'm done with you guys, if I'm done talking, I can pull it off and wear my normal clothes and go enjoy my life. So that is it. So make sure you start investing in cryptocurrency. Start small, wait for the price to come down and buy. And when you buy, you wait for the price to rise. When the price becomes too high, you can sell parts and still hold some, right? So this is how you can be able to diversify your portfolio and make more money in other stream of income and not relying solely in forex trading. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope you love this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educative content like this. And also, don't forget to turn on the notification icon to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new content. I will see you again in my next update. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace out.